True education is not for mere living, but for a fuller and meaningful life. Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Welcome to Puttaparthi, the abode of spiritual leader Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Located in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh in India, Puttaparthi is a world-renowned place of interest with growing economic, educational and socio-cultural importance. In the lap of this city lies Sanskriti School of Business, an educational institution with a pool of intellectual capital and international connect. It was founded in 2010, drawing inspiration from the life and teachings of Sri Sathya Sai Baba. One of the most recognized and fastest growing educational institutions in the region, Sanskriti School of Business has demonstrated a consistently successful pedagogical outcome with its unique teaching methodology and corporate exposure. With a sprawling 30-acre campus in the hillsides of Puttaparthi, beside the world-reputed Sri Sathya Sai Super Specialty Hospital, Sanskriti School of Business nurtures young, curious management students and creates an irreversible transformation in them to corporate individuals with a very high moral or ethical standard. Sanskriti B School offers a dual degree of MBA affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, and PGD MBA from All India Management Association, and both the courses are recognized by All India Council for Technical Education. The MBA program focuses on various fields of business and corporate with a special attention to a long-term goal of transforming the students into leaders.
We see education as development of personality. Emphasis is placed on all quotients: emotional quotient, intelligent quotient and the spiritual quotient. The value system of our institution is always revolving around the discipline.
The program encompasses various case study-based teaching methods and project-based learning processes. At SSB, we conduct guest lectures, case studies, seminars, workshops, team building exercises, daily yoga and physical fitness practices.
The faculty here are very friendly with the student managers. We can walk in at any point of time to clear our doubts.
The focus of academics revolves around building skills which are required by the corporates and as per changing expectations of the industry from year to year.
Each elective is offered with one certified program approved by the industry, which indirectly observe us to get into the job before we finish our MBA program. SSB has given me confidence to be positive in all circumstances.
Global exposure through our international connect with RISE and other corporates in Europe, including visiting faculties to give an insight into the current market opportunities in the international arena, to share their own experience and struggles that finally leads to the path of success.
Let's say an example of different national banks in the world as well as different universities where they visit to Puttaparthi, and we have a unique chance for bringing them to SSB to deliver their valuable lecture at SSB. This is one of the unique opportunity which the Sanskriti School of Business is having.
Another important area is application of the knowledge. To do so, we have a lot of value addition courses compatible to each specialization the student chooses. All the students passing out of the institute are Sigma certified and have one foreign language to get international placements. The e-learning platform that SSB provides is truly global. The digital library provides the students with a huge resource of intellectual understanding. The library operates from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. during working days, and it can be extended as per students' requirement. The library has 2,888 volumes covering 441 titles, and it is subscribed to around 21 international journals. The classrooms are well equipped, consistent with world-class facilities. The Wi-Fi facility provides 24/7 internet access. The overall infrastructure resonates with the real business world by providing international standard of technology. The students at SSB belong to different parts of India with diversified socio-cultural background. Hostel facilities are available for both boys and girls. A few outstanding features are solar heater facility, 24/7 access to mineral water, hygienic food, spacious rooms with good ventilations. The Career Development Center functions throughout the year to bring top corporate from India and abroad to provide the best placement opportunities for all our students. SSB is committed to provide 100% placement assistance to our students. To augment employability skills, we have exclusive placement cells to impart placement-oriented courses on a continual basis from the first semester. All the passed out batches have been successfully placed.
So far, there are 6 companies visited and they recruited 57 candidates through placement drives. And in a short while, we are going to get half dozen companies. Then they are going to recruit and few more students out of 118 candidates.
SSB also provides limited scholarship offers to talented and needy students by conducting the Sai Prudent Talent Test. The scholarships are offered by European industry counterpart, the Anahata Scholarship Program, with a vision to develop dynamic and socially responsible leaders possessing wisdom, positive attitude, and impeccable character. SSB has come a long way by offering a management education founded on strong core values built on twin pillars of theory and practice. On behalf of student managers, faculty and management, we welcome you to have a lifetime experience at Sanskriti School of Business, Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh.